Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a quick unboxing of the Apple Airpods Pro, the second generation, which are coming with a MagSafe charging case. So that's the box, silky design. Yeah, let's dig in and see what is inside. Let's open the seal. Actually, there are two seals. As you can see, one on the top and one on the bottom. Take those off. Let's take that out. Okay, let's take that off. Here is some paperwork, quick start I guess. Yeah, how to connect the iPad, some instructions, etc. Connect to other devices, ear tips, etc. Safety and handling, guarantee or something. Yeah. So the AirPods, that's the Mac case. The AirPods have a battery life around 6 hours, and you can extend that with the MagSafe charging case to up to 30 hours. So let's take that off. That's nice. Nice case. Oh, the light is on. A green light is on. Those are the AirPods. One. The second one. That's the case. Let's put them back. Those are actually IP54 dust, sweat and waterproof, water resistance, and they have active noise cancellation. So let's see what is more underneath that. There is a charging cable, and this is, yeah, the charging cable. Those are actually, of course, Siri always on. The weight is around 50 grams is for the case, and around 5 grams is the AirPods. So the nice comfortable design. And here we have some ear tips. Yes, for so few different sizes. We have extra small, small and large. Actually, yeah, there are no medium, so 3 sizes to adjust depending on your size of the ear. And I think nothing more inside. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.